When I'm working, I like spending my lunch breaks alone and in nature whenever possible. And sometimes I prepare food. Most of the time I'm way too lazy and I just buy something at the supermarket. And one thing I always forget is a spoon. So now I could just grab a disposable spoon, but we don't do disposable plastics on this channel. So I show you instead how to bushcraft your own spoon and have a little adventure doing so during your lunch break. So we're cleaning off all the loose material and look for a nice even chunk. So a nice straight chunk, and then we want to round it off here. And we basically cut down the middle till the midpoint of this circle up here. You can scrape off a little bit of the material here to make it sanitary. That's good enough for me. And from there it's basically just folding. This is the spoon shape we want. And we just fold it around and tuck it in there. There you go. Yum, yum, yum. Cheers.